Hello students, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see the topic related with engineering economics in the topic of future worth method. If you want to invest something in the any business, so we have plenty of opportunity and we have enormous investment opportunities there. So we have to decide which investment is best suitable for us. Okay, so there is a lot of alternatives are there. So for example, you can take the coffee shop, so that is one of the business idea, and you can take the grocery shop, so that is one of the business idea. So in the every business have the distinct investment plans and net revenue, then capital cost, everything is there. So first we have to decide which is the best suitable and what is the probable income from the business. Okay, so these things is decided in the future worth method. Okay, so in this future worth method, so we have two approaches there. One is revenue dominated approach, then next one is cost dominated approach. So the revenue dominated approach is mainly based on how much revenue it will come from the investment, and cost dominated is how much amount we can spend for the particular investment. Okay, so the only difference is the best alternate we can choose from the future worth method, that is revenue dominated method. So we have to take the maximum future worth of net revenue. Okay, so that's a major part and that is the best alternate. Then cost dominated is, so the minimum future worth of net cost will be the best alternate. Okay, so whether we can choose the revenue dominated method or cost dominated method, whichever is suitable for you. Okay, so here we can take one problem is there. So from that problem we can explain what is the future worth method. So now we can consider the following two mutually exclusive alternates at 18 percentage interest rate. Okay, so there is two alternatives there, and then 18 percentage interest is there. So we have to select the alternate based on the future worth method of comparison. Okay, so now we can take the alternate A and alternate B. Okay, so this is the one type of business and this another type of business. So the first initially we can take the 50 lakhs. Here is 45 lakhs. Okay, for A the minus indicate the investment. Okay, so now we can spend the investment. So now for A business model we can spend 50 lakh rupees, and for B we can spend 45 lakh rupees. Okay, so then for end of the first year we get the revenue of 20 lakhs. Okay, so then second year also we got the 20 lakhs, third year also 20 lakhs, and fourth year also we got the 20 lakhs. Okay, so now we got the investment cost. Okay, so now we invested 50 lakhs, now we got the 80 lakhs. Okay, so likewise, so for plan B, the 45 lakhs is the investment. Though first year we got the revenue of 18 lakh, then second year also we got the 18 lakh revenue, then third year also we got the 18 lakh revenue, and then fourth year we got the 18 lakh revenue. Okay, so now we have to draw the revenue dominated cash flow diagram. So after that we can see which is the best alternate to investment. Investment as the 50 lakhs. Okay, so second thing is the annual equivalent revenue. So the annual equivalent revenue we can call it as A, that is 20 lakhs. These also given. Then the interest rate is 18 percentage. Okay, so then now the lifetime of the alternate, so lifetime N is 4 years. Okay, so these are all the given values. So now we can find out the future worth amount of alternate A. So now we can calculate the future worth amount of alternate A, that is FW, future worth of alternate A in the I percentage. Okay, so that is equal to the formula we can use minus P into F by P, that is present value we can convert into future value at the rate of 18 percentage of return into 4 years. Okay, so this is the formula. Then again plus So the annual equivalent revenue A into, so that's also revenue we can convert into future value, okay, future worth. So here the investment is converted into future worth. Here the annual revenue is converted into future worth at the 18% of interest then 4 years. Okay, so now we can take the P value is for A, P value is 50 lakhs. So the initial investment is 50 lakhs. We know. So that is a given. Then the present value is converted into future. So that is the formula is 1 plus I power n. Okay. So now plus A. So A is 20 lakhs. So the given value into here is F by A. So that is annual revenue is converted into future worth. So now we got 1 plus I the whole power n minus 1 divided by I. Okay, so now we can substitute all the values over here. 50 in lakhs into 1 plus, so that is 18%, that is 0.18. The power n is 4 plus 20 lakhs into 1 plus 0.18 whole power 4 minus 1 divided by 0.18, that is 18%. Okay, so solving this we got the value of 7,35,000. Okay, so likewise we can calculate for the alternate B. So for alternate B, F W B at the rate of I. So now we can take same minus P into F by P, that is 18% same, comma 4 year. Okay, so again plus A into F by A, that in 18%, comma 4 years. Okay, so now we can substitute the P values minus 45 lakhs. Okay, so the for B plan, so the investment is 40 lakhs. Okay, so into 1 plus I is same 0.18 whole power 4, that is 4 years, plus the here the annual revenue is 18 lakh. Okay, so for plan A, the annual revenue is 20 lakh. Then plan B, the annual revenue is 18 lakh. Okay, so into, so same the formula 1 plus 0.18 whole power 4 minus 1 divided by 0.18. So solving this, we got the value of 6 lakh 61,500. Okay, so now we came to know that the A is higher value and B is lower value. So now we know the future worth of alternate A is greater than of alternate B. Thus the alternate A should be selected. Okay, so now we know the revenue dominated cash flow. We can take the maximum value. So if case this is the cost dominated cash flow value, so we can take the minimum value. Okay, so now here we can take the revenue model. So now we can take the alternate A is the best way to investment. Okay, so this is a method we can solve the problem. Again, we'll see next video. Thank you.